Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the flavors of India with a recipe that's beloved for its crunch and spice, Chakli. Join me as we unravel the secrets behind making this crispy, irresistible treat that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. I have taken 1.5 cup rice flour, 2 tablespoons gram flour, sieve everything together so that everything is mixed properly. We'll add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, teaspoon black sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon Kalonji, 1 teaspoon white sesame seeds. Mix everything together. A teaspoon oil. Mix everything together. Combine well. Add hot water. The dough should be hard, medium to hard. Grease oil to the chakli making machine. Pour the dough and make shapes of your choice. This is the easiest method which I am showing to you all, and it is very easy for the beginners who are trying or learning to make chakli. From the same dough I have made another chakli. As you can see, I have prepared everything. Heat oil and put one by one chakli. Be careful, don't be in a hurry. The flame should be medium to high. As you can see, our chakli is turned into a nice color. Remove from the hot oil. And transfer into a tissue paper to remove excess oil. I have fried another chakli also. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now we'll put the straight one, the mini snack. Same way you have to fry. Don't be in a hurry. The medium must be medium to high. This snacks is very good for kids, and anybody can enjoy this snacks. I hope you enjoyed creating this snack as much as I did sharing the recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your chakli making adventure in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, happy snacking, and thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.